Sir, please introduce yourself and your organization to us.
Okay, we are actually about 3 years old organization based in Hyderabad. We represent a global real estate service company, which is REMAX, which stands for Real Estate Maximum. And we have right now currently about 11 branches in Hyderabad alone, and we have 4 branches which is outside of Hyderabad in Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada and Guntur. What we do is basically we cater to the end user by providing different kind of inventory to people to choose, and we work very closely with all the builders to procure their houses, apartments, commercial spaces, and we give a choice to the end user, end customer. We do it through a micro enterprise model, where we encourage the entrepreneurs to come into the real estate industry as if they are fresh, or maybe if they are already existing into real estate, they choose to take up our brand at a fee and elevate their status and improve their businesses from that. We give them that global connection always.
So what is the newest and the freshest approach you are bringing to your business?
Okay, the very fresh approach which we are bringing to the business is we are providing a lot of education in the real estate. Okay, real estate as such is very unorganized right now in India, as people feel, but there is a lot of reforms like this new real estate regulatory bill and things like that, which is happening at the central level. What we try to do at the city where we are based right now is we encourage education and the training among new people. So we pick up freshers from the colleges. We give them education programs about real estate, about the industry, how to do the soft skills, and we encourage them to take this as a career opportunity under us. So we encourage this micro enterprise model as a career option for the people and take up this as one of the job in the field. So I'm talking about insurance or mutual fund, where it was about 15 years back. We want to do the similar thing in real estate. So that's the fresh approach which we are taking right now to the industry.
So how do you visualize the organization 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I think we will be actually catering to close to about 40 offices across the state, and definitely would like to cater to a larger audience, and we want to be recognized as one of the premium brands to be associated, and I think the only choice option at that moment of time in terms of education and the real estate transactions. So we would like to get into that market share definitely 5 years from now.
So is there any message you would like to convey to your audience or your competitors?
Definitely, we actually the message is very simple, is we are not that I would say that we are very open in terms of the opportunities, and what we do to a common person is we give them choices. Okay, majority of the common man is scared of organized real estate companies or big companies or IPCs. Is they feel that they charge high, or they may have some kind of a method to make more money, but we are not. We are 100% service oriented organization, so they can feel free and walk into any of our offices for the services.